Fáilte chuig Rang Gaeilge, your go-to Irish grammar website. Today we're going to look at the Modh Ordaitheach. This is used for giving orders to one or more people in Irish. For the iver uha of the Modh Ordaitheach, or when giving orders to just one person, we simply use the root or phrase of the breather. For example, brustig, hurry, or éist, listen. For the iver ulra, or to give orders to more than one person, there's a little bit more to it. For Leathan verbs with Shiolla Amháin, we add a, I, g, I, father to the root of the verb, like siúlagi, walk. And for Caol verbs with Shiolla Amháin, we add I, g, I, father to the root of the verb, such as rihigi, run. For Leathan verbs with Gaeilge, we add a, I, father, g, I, father to the root of the verb. For example, brustigi, hurry. Okay. For Caol verbs with Gaeilge, we add I, father, g, I, father to the root of the verb. Just as you'd expect with Irish though, there are a few exceptions to these rules. Here they come. For one-syllable verbs that end with a father il or a father in, we drop the I and use the appropriate ending for the iver ulra. Mar hampla, sábháil, sábháilgi. In one-syllable verbs that end with igh, we replace this with ig, I father for more than one person, like nigi, clean. For two-syllable verbs that end with ail, il, ain, in, aior, ior, ais, or is, we drop the ai or I part and replace it with either ai father, gi father, or I father, gi father, depending on the Leathan, la Leathan, Caol, la Caol rule. For example, Caol goes to ceanglagi, tie. Agus sin é.